How to download Twitch on PC or laptop. So if you want to download your Twitch application, then first check your internet connection. And once you've checked, you can open up your Microsoft Store on your device. You can go to your Windows tab and then you can search for Microsoft Store. Click on that. And now here you will have the search bar on the top. Simply click on the search bar and then search for Twitch. And once you've searched for Twitch, here you will have your Twitch application. So you can simply click on that. And you can click on Get. And it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once it's downloaded, you can simply click on Open. And after opening, you can go for a login, which will be on the upper right. And you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you download Twitch on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.